a valley between the Great Himalayan Range and the Pir Panjal mountain range. Kashmir is a place of beautiful simplicity and pristine natural beauty. The valleys of Kashmir are untamed and unspoilt. Surrounded by the sublime mountains, these valleys echo nature. Verdant valleys, charming lakes, tulip gardens, houseboats, and many more attractive tourist spots make Kashmir the paradise on earth. Kashmir is blessed with a unique culture that enraptures our heart. It has a variety of terrains ranging from lakes, snow capped mountains, coniferous kissed hills to glacier fed rivers. There are fields of saffron and orchards of apples. There are a variety of flowers that are a show in itself. Hello everyone. We, the 10th standard students of GUHS Tavargira, tried to introduce you to the most beautiful and wondrous places of Kashmir. So, let's get started.
Leh Manali Highway. The Leh Manali Highway is a 429 kilometers long highway in northernmost India connecting Leh, the capital of the Union Territory of Ladakh, and Manali in the state of Himachal Pradesh via Atal Tunnel. It is open for only about 4.5 months in a year from May to mid-October. It connects the Manali Valley to the Lahore and Spiti valleys in the Himachal Pradesh and the Zanskar Valley in Ladakh. This highway is designed, built and maintained by the Border Road Organization of the Indian Army. The twisty 490 kilometers long highway that is lined with challenging and treacherous snow-carpeted passes, deep valleys, high-altitude plains, and unending streams offer a pretty sight and make the journey the riskiest one.
Dal Lake Floating Gardens. The famous floating garden of Dal Lake is a prime fascination for tourists in the valleys of Kashmir. It has spread over an area of 18 to 22 square kilometers. During the Mughal period, the lake shore served as the summer resort for the Mughal emperors. Now it has become famous for its scenic location and its floating vegetable garden. There is an unorganized market where individual sellers gather in the center of the lake at the break of the day. The floating gardens are built from two types of weeds found in the dal. Boatmen weave the weeds together into the floating mats that form the base of the garden. Layers of pruned weeds are added and in 3 years the floating gardens become around 2 meters thick, 3 meters wide and 45 meters long raft. These are used to grow the variety of vegetables like tomatoes, melons, pumpkins, turnip, radish, carrot, etc. For centuries, these gardens have been the source of livelihood for a large number of Kashmiris.
Houseboats of Kashmir. Better known as the floating houses, houseboats in Kashmir provide a unique staying option. Anchored on the banks of the two beautiful lakes in Srinagar, Dal and Nigin houseboats tour is perfect for people of all age. The houseboats are made of cedar wood which stays healthy even after staying for years in water. These houseboats are much similar to hotels and vary in size, facilities ranging from luxury to mid-range.
Raghunath Temple. Raghunath Temple is situated in the Indian Union Territory of Jammu. It comprises a complex of 7 shrines. The temple complex is located in the old part of the Jammu city north of river Tavi. Raghunath Temple was constructed by the first Dogra ruler Maharaja Gulab Singh in 1835 and was completed in 1860 during the rule of Maharaja Ranbir Singh. The presiding deity of this temple is Lord Rama, also known as Raghunath. The rulers built spiral-shaped temples with breadth and crowned each tower with bright kalashas. The walls of the shrines are decorated with 312 crafted icons of gods and goddesses. Here are the paintings in the 15 panels of the main shrines based on the themes from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita. The temple premises include a school and a library that preserves over 6,000 manuscripts in many Indian languages.
Shankaracharya Temple. The Shankaracharya Temple, also known as the Jestheshwara Temple, is situated on the top of the Shankaracharya Hill in Srinagar. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is at the height of 1000 feet above the valley floor and overlooks the city of Srinagar. A 20-foot tall octagonal base supports a square building on top. The temple may date back to around 200 BC and was visited by Adi Shankaracharya and has ever since been associated with him and got the name Shankaracharya. It is also regarded as sacred by Buddhist people. The Dogra king Gulab Singh constructed the steps to the hill. The Maharaja of Mysuru, who came to Kashmir in 1925, made the electrical installation at the temple. The temple is used for regular worship and pilgrims visit the temple while Amarnath Yatra.
Diskit Monastery. Diskit Monastery, also known as Diskit Gumpa, is the oldest and the largest Buddhist monastery in the Nubra Valley of Ladakh. It was founded in the 14th century.
Shalimar Garden. The crown of Srinagar Shalimar Bagh is a Mughal garden in Srinagar linked through a channel to the northeast of the lake. The garden was built by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir in 1619 for his beloved wife Noor Jahan. The word Shalimar in Sanskrit means abode of love. The Bagh is considered the high point of Mughal horticulture and is now a public park. During the rule of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the Marble Pavilion was a guest house for European visitors. It has been aptly described by a chronicler as a subtle air of leisure and repose, a romantic, indefinable spell pervades the Royal Shalimar. This leafy garden of dim vistas, shallow terraces, smooth sheet of falling water and wide canals with calm reflections broken only by the stepping stone across the streams.
Fruits and flowers of Kashmir. From early spring to late autumn, the flowers of Kashmir pass in procession of beauty. Of all comes the delicate pink almond blossom. White cherry blossom and the pink and white apple blossom make their appearance. Comes the irises of royal purple growing as high as man's waist and filling holes filled with their stately blooms. When summer begins, the air is filled with the perfume of roses. Fields of yellow mustard stretch like dazzling cloth of gold.
Shikara. Shikara or Shirkara is a type of wooden boat found on Dal Lake and other water bodies of Srinagar. They are of various sizes and are used for multiple purposes including transportation, fishing. Like the Venetian gondolas, they are a cultural symbol of Kashmir. The craft relies on deodar wood, which doesn't decompose in water, ranges from 25 to 41 feet in length. Seating arrangements are organized in the central segment of the boat by positioning cushions. A canopy is supported on 4 pillars. The shirkaras are eventually painted in bright colors, so Shikara ride proves to be the most incredible and relaxing aspects of a holiday in Kashmir. This is how our students of GUHS Tawargera tried to depict the majestic beauty of Kashmir before you. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and encourage our students. Thanks for watching.